Hello, YouTube fans. Got another part two video of Airships. It's a great game. I love the game so much. Very customizable. So what we're going to do here is continue with our Big Bird airship. And we're going to do something interesting here. We're going to go ahead and see how long it lasts against two of my Big Birds to see if my design is good enough. Let's add my ship, Big Bird. And we're going to go against two of my Big Birds and see if my primary player could actually defeat two of the enemy Big Birds. You guys ready to see the action? Here we go. See what kind of strategies this guy plays. Alright, you gonna go on top of me now? Alright, let's get down here, guys. Let's put my target in range. Not looking so good. How long can I stay alive here? Alright. I think my armor is pretty poor. Get out of my way. Alright. Come on, move. Get out of here. Come on. I don't have any engines that are working. That's insane. I had like one. Well, I guess it's not spinning the prop. I'm pretty much almost out of water. These fires are killing me. I have no more ammo left. All my ammo stores are destroyed. My crew's like almost all dead. This is crazy. Can I like get out of this? Can I like surrender? Alright, just kill me alright. Already. Come on. Alright. Okay. Let's try something different, guys. What's up with these islands on top of here? Is there a way to get rid of them? Let's put them over here. Alright. I don't want to do that, guys. Okay, so let's add my famous big bird ship, if I could talk. Put them over here. We're gonna try some small ships. The bastards? Nah, I'm not gonna go with you guys. Killed you guys before. Boo Boo, Premium, Multi-Tricks. Yeah. Alright, how about some little ships with some big ass guns? This is gonna be kind of fun. Just put a lot of them out here. See if I could actually kill them all. Hopefully my frame rates are gonna be stable. Alright, we got a fight to this is gonna be kinda incredible. I'm gonna move this guy down below here. Ready to see some action here. Let's see how long it takes to annihilate these, or maybe they could actually take me down. Way to go. Seems like they're targeting my ammo stores. I wonder if I should ram them. Not fair. Someone crashed right into me on top. Alright, I got a lot of fires happening, guys. Gotta put them out, man. Put them out! Or I'm gonna be toast. It's not looking good. Turn around. Come on. Turn around. This doesn't look good. Alright, we gotta flip this sucker over. Turn around, guys. Come on. Put out those fires. You gotta be kidding me. I hear some of my crewmates coughing. A lung up. Doesn't look so good for them. Come on, you got some water here. Whoa, come on. We're dead. We're out of water. Almost. We're not gonna be able to recover. They're all there waiting for me to get up. They got them little fucking mosquitoes hovering around me. Okay, am I gonna recover or what? Oh my god. So frustrating. Come on, just finish me off. What are you guys watching me for? Watching my slow death? What the hell is on the phone icon? What is this? Diamonds? A deck of cards? Alright. Okay, yes, I am on fire. Alright, I guess my command module was destroyed. Oh, now it's back online. Usually when the command module is destroyed, you'll lose control on the bottom here. So I have no access to my ship. Sorry, guys. 2 crewmates left. Oh, look at this one just died. Popped down. Okay, well, I did some damage, but I didn't do good enough. Look at that. So I'm going to try something different. Let's see how many ships can I deploy at once. So stay tuned to the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will be adding another video to the series. Thank you.